One of the smallest countries in Europe is also one of the richest, safest, and best places to work, and they're actively looking for foreign workers in 2025. That's right, we're talking about Luxembourg, a hidden gem for high salaries, incredible quality of life, and excellent career growth. If you've ever dreamed of working in Europe without the chaos of big overcrowded cities, you're going to love what I'm about to share. In this video, I'll walk you through the in-demand jobs in Luxembourg, how to apply for them, the work visa process, salary expectations, and my best tips for getting hired quickly. So grab a pen and paper, because we're going deep into everything you need to know about working in Luxembourg this year. So, what jobs are in high demand currently? Luxembourg might be small, but its economy is one of the strongest in the world. The country's financial sector is huge, but that's not the only place with opportunities. In 2025, employers are actively hiring for roles in IT and software development, finance and accounting, engineering, healthcare, hospitality, and skilled trades like electricians, mechanics, construction workers, and even English-speaking customer service staff. If you have experience in finance, software development, nursing, truck driving, or even hotel management, you're in luck. If you're wondering where to find these jobs, start with official job portals like the Luxembourg Employment Agency's ADEM platform. You can also check out yours, the European Job Mobility Portal, where employers list positions open to candidates from other countries. Popular private job boards like jobs.lu, Movajob, and Indeed Luxembourg are also great for finding openings. When you apply, make sure your CV follows the European format. The Europass CV is widely accepted here. And always write your cover letter to show how your skills match Luxembourg's job market needs. Who is eligible? Luxembourg hires both EU and non-EU workers, but the process is different. If you're from outside the EU, you'll need to secure a job offer before applying for a work visa. Employers in Luxembourg must prove they couldn't find a suitable candidate from within the EU before they can hire you, so having strong, relevant experience and qualifications really helps. If you're applying for skilled jobs like IT, finance, or engineering, having a degree and proof of work experience is key. But for hospitality and trades, you may only need vocational training and experience. Language skills can also give you an advantage. While English is widely used in international companies, knowing French, German, or Luxembourgish makes you stand out. Processing time and documents. Once you've secured a job offer, your employer will usually help with the visa application process. For non-EU citizens, you'll need to apply for a temporary residence permit for salaried workers. This involves sending your application to Luxembourg's Immigration Directorate before you arrive. The documents you'll typically need include your valid passport, signed work contract, CV, copies of your qualifications, recent photos, proof of accommodation in Luxembourg, and sometimes a police clearance certificate from your home country. Processing time can take anywhere from 2 to 3 months, so it's best to apply as soon as you receive your job offer. Salary expectations. Luxembourg is famous for high salaries. The legal minimum wage in 2025 is around €2,570 per month for skilled workers, and €2,143 for unskilled workers, one of the highest in the EU. Skilled professionals in sectors like IT, banking, and engineering can earn €4,000 to €7,000 monthly, while healthcare professionals often earn even more. Keep in mind that while the cost of living is high, salaries are designed to match. And Luxembourg's low tax rates mean you keep more of what you earn compared to many other countries. Cost of visa and how to apply online. The work visa application fee for Luxembourg is generally around €80, though it can vary depending on your nationality. Applications for residence permits are usually done by post, but you can download the forms and instructions from the Luxembourg government's immigration website. Job applications themselves are all online through the portals I mentioned earlier, jobs.lu, ADEM, yours, and company websites. Tips for getting hired. If you really want to stand out, tailor your CV for every application, don't just send the same version to every employer. Highlight experience that matches exactly what they're asking for. Use keywords from the job description so your application passes through applicant tracking systems. Also, connect with recruiters and hiring managers on LinkedIn. Luxembourg's job market is small, and personal connections can make a huge difference. And if possible, attend online job fairs like the Mauvais Job Day Luxembourg, where companies interview candidates directly. Luxembourg isn't just another work-abroad destination. It's a gateway to the rest of Europe, a place where your weekends could be spent in Paris, Amsterdam, or Milan, without even stepping on a plane. The opportunities are here in 2025, but they won't wait forever. If you're serious about working in Luxembourg, start now. The job you apply for today could be the one that changes your life next year. Whether you're a skilled professional in IT or finance, or you work in hospitality, healthcare, or trades, there's a place for you here, and now you know exactly how to get started. Everything you need, application links, job sites, and official resources, is right there in the video description. And remember to comment where you're watching from, especially if this is your first time here. I would love to personally welcome you. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe and turn on notifications bell for more updates on working and relocating abroad. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.